everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello my gorgeous angels, I hope you're doing well. So today's video is a bit different because this is going to be a cosmetic haul. So let's get my package. Gotcha. So this is my Sugar Cosmetic box that I got. So Sugar Cosmetics makes cruelty-free products. That is something that I see as a high point. Secondly, the packaging is amazing. Thirdly, the product pricing is quite good. Not that high range, not that low range. So it has a medium range. Perfect drugstore product. Anyone can purchase it. In case you get an offer, then it's a very nice deal. So I was really excited. Being a makeup artist, we have used a lot of professional brands, but Sugar was something very new, and I feel it was really hyped. So I needed to check that out whether it's worth the hype or not. So I ordered it in the Sugar Cosmetic app, and you can also order it from their website. You can even order it from Nykaa, whatever you like, wherever you like. But do it when there is an offer. So I ordered it when there was an offer, and I got a freebie, which is not a product, but I'll show you what it is. I should start with the one that's so going up to the end to show you guys the one product that I liked the most. Starting with this, the packaging of Sugar is just fab. Most of the professional product doesn't have this kind of packaging as well, I'm telling you. So this is the Sugar Minis. These are the 4 lipstick set. The pricing is $7.99 and it's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. When you open it, I love the box. Dude, this box looks so amazing. When you're opening this, see, there's a lot of gap over here, and this is really tiny, like, and the shades are amazing. Matlab, I got 4 different shades. One is nude red and pinks and wineish purple. So this one is the wine one. So what I didn't like is like it's too tiny, and again the bottle is not completely filled. Like there is a lot of, I don't know if you can see there is a lot of thickness of the glass as well. So the product is really in a lesser quantity, but for this price again you will not get something this better. This is transfer proof, waterproof lipstick, and the shades are pretty amazing, thick in consistency, but it actually, I've applied one shade which I show you. Shade is Tan Fan. I've applied very little, very little, like less, and I just dabbed it with my finger because I don't want heavy coverage on this kind of look. The formulation, guys, I liked the ingredients which are there in this, but it is not paraben free. But again, there are a lot of types of paraben, and mostly you get it in cosmetics, so we have to deal with that. Coming up next is this is Blink Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. They write it 01 Gold Diggin, and this is the tube. I like the ingredients made up of glycerin, and it's really nice. It's like, I like the formulation. It's a little bit of creamy, but a very nice stroke cream. So this is how it looks. See the shine that it has. You can use it, like, gives a really nice shiny finish. Fragrance is not that good. I didn't like the fragrance, but again the product is really nice. Plus the formulation, I can't see that much chunkiness in this. Like it's just mixing in with the fingers. I like it. Coming up next is this is a huge box. I don't know why. Okay, I think there was 2 products inside it, but I ordered 1. So why a huge box for a very small product? I don't know. I didn't like this kind of thing, but okay. So this is the kajal that I got. Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl 05 Black Magic. So it has a kind of shimmer to it, or kind of glittery. 05 is my shade. I really liked it because one stroke of this, there is a bling in the eye, and plus the kajal effect. I really liked it. So this is how it looks. Cute little. I love how they have used matte black in all the products. I really like it. Like the packaging. So this is how it looks. I liked it. It's smooth, but it's a sharpening thing that is something I don't like. But again, nice pigmentation. Okay, so the freebie that I got is this. So this is a beautiful calendar by Sugar Cosmetics. This was really open, so I had to fix this. That is something again, but again it's a freebie. So see how cute is this? There is a design when you lift this up. see how this goes. Amazing, yeah? Coming up to the last product of the day, which is my personal favorite. This is just amazing. Just amazing. So this is how it looks. I love the packaging. This is a beautiful pouch wherein I think I can keep some really products that are really delicate. I can keep it there and carry it to my clients. Like, I always needed something like this. This is my favorite product. Favorite, trust me. This is how it looks. It looks gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I recommended this to a lot of people. Even in my live sessions on Instagram, I've always talked about this, right? Just see how this is how it looks. You can see my setup there. So this is how it looks, and you get a nice contour shade, a highlighter, and a blush. My favorite part is this baby right here. This contour shade, it goes with any skin tone, not specifically for Indian skin tone. From medium shade range to fair shade tones, you can use it. Will not go that much with a darker skin tone, but you can still use it in case you know how, the right technique to use it. I'm gonna start with the blush. See, can you see it? And I think not that visible in the camera, but it's pinkish toned shade. I really like it, really like it. I told you it's my favorite palette. I even suggest you going with the highlighter. Wow, see, champagne pop color, not that much into gold, not that much out of the gold. Coming to my favorite part, this has a beautiful brown tone. See, again, not visible I think in the camera. I can see it because of the light, it's not visible, and it's actually matching my skin tone. But this is my go-to, my personal favorite. So I completely tell you, if you want to have a pocket friendly product that you can use as a blush, as a highlight, as a bronzer, as a contour, as a eyeshadow, perfect, all in one palette. So this was my Jadoo Ka Pitara, and I'm gonna close it now. So the mini Smudge Me Not lipsticks were good to go when you are buying it on offer. So I will rate that lipstick for about 7 out of 10 because it has a really nice formulation. It is really thick. The color pigmentation is perfect, but there is still something I feel like it kind of sticks on the lips. That is something I didn't like about it. But everything else is just amazing about that lipstick. And do get it in offer. You'll get a lot of offers by Sugar. Second product review is going to be the Illuminating Primer. It's really nice, kind of. But what I feel about it is, because it's a moisturizer, when I see it now, I feel it has almost gone and it has made this area kind of fairer, you know. So that is something not into 8. So I'll rate it again as 6 out of 10. I didn't like that much. Coming up to the Kajal is perfect. The formulation is perfect. The price range is okay when you're buying it in offer again. I'll rate it a 9 out of 10 to the Kajal because I loved it. I really liked it, apart from the sharpening thing. Coming up to my favorite product, which is this. This gets, obviously you can guess this, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. A go-to product for Indian skin tone, must-have product. In case, if you are a beginner, if you are a professional artist, you can keep these handy products. These handy products are so in because we have to carry products from one place to another, right? So what I do is I try to keep as many palettes that has a lot of shades inside it, be it lipstick, be it. So what you have to do is you have to keep something that has all the things inside it, right? So I think this is just perfect. I got all of this under 1500. So that was my go-to, and I'm super excited to get more Sugar products in my hands. So this was really sweet. Thank you, Sugar, for this. And again, it's a nice brand, and I'll surely order the base products from Sugar as well. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this review session. I hope I could impart a lot of knowledge to you and about how this product, this brand is.